Today, I'm going to reveal the secret no one wants you to know, but everybody that's making this type of money is actually using. All right. So you're going to want to make sure you pay close attention because this is the secret that has made me big, big money. And I have been able to show you this, guys, not only live on stream, but also giving you the alpha within the TG. So if you're not following there, I would highly recommend you do so. But before I tell you what that is, you're going to need the proper tools to be able to make these life changing money plays. And that is by using the tools that I'm going to list down below. My number one preferred platform is Bullocks because I find things fast, it makes fast transactions, and it gets me into the plays fast and easy. But if you don't like using Bullocks, I'll leave another platform that you guys can definitely check out with the link down below. So, with that being said, let's talk about what you need to know to make life changing money. I am talking about this acronym that you're going to 100% need to memorize to make sure that you're constantly getting 10x's, 100x's, 200x's, even 1000x's. And what is that? B.E.S.T. Yes, make sure you understand this and make sure you engrave it in your mind every single time you're about to make a trade. Make sure you understand and think of B.E.S.T. So, let me show you guys a quick example. We're going to pull up the trencher chart because this one we actually caught live on stream. This particular token, guys, I was able to catch at 85K. Yes, even on my TG, I dropped it and I told you guys, listen, yo, hello. This token is at 85K. It ran up all the way up to 11 mil. Okay. So the first thing you want to understand is the first part of B.E.S.T. The first part of B.E.S.T is what every single P&L, every single thing that you see on Twitter where people are showing you, I put in 1 SOL, I put in 2 SOL, I put in 3 SOL, and now I made $100,000, $200,000. And that is by using this. Let me go ahead and display this for you guys. I'm going to display the wallets that I'm currently tracking here. And look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's Christmas. It's a Christmas tree. Look at all those little spheres that are in the Christmas tree, right? So what do you notice here that you wouldn't notice if you didn't have all these wallets right added here? What do you notice? The first thing you're going to notice, guys, is you're going to notice that these people are doing the BE. And what is that? That is buy early. Buy early. So you're going to notice that all these people that are making a ton of money right here are all buying early. Now, do you guys want to make sure you guys are tracking these wallets? I'm going to share a special list for you guys if you guys follow me over on TG, so you guys could also be following the right wallets, not to buy when they buy, but just to know how they're trading and how they're buying. So make sure you guys follow me over there on TG, and I will share the list with you guys in the coming week. Now, with that being said, what is it that they're doing that you're not doing? Well, they're buying early. The advantage of buying early is the fact that you have two great advantages. Number one is you will not be panicking when the chart actually dips. Let me give you a quick example. Let me take these out of here and we're going to draw just a little bit so you guys can see exactly what we're doing here. So let's say you bought when I made this call, which was like at 85K, somewhere around right about here. Okay. So somewhere about here, you can't really see it much, but it was somewhere around right there. And let's say this ran up right here to 1.5 million. Okay. You bought at 85K. That's close to a 20x. It's about a 15x from your initial buy right here. 15x. Okay. Now, this actually went back down. If you notice right here, it went back down to 200K. Okay. So what most people would do is they'll start panicking, right? They'll be like, "Oh my goodness, my money's going down," because they are not buying early. So if you would have bought at 1.5 and you see this chart dump to 200, you're gonna either panic sell or you're gonna be like get very stressful and be like, "Oh my goodness, I went from having 5 SOL to having like, not even one, and the chart just dipped so much." But look what happened just within less than 24 hours. Boom, we get a blast off all the way up to 11 mil. So if you would have bought right here in the top and you would have sold because you got scared and you panic sold, then you would have taken a big, big chunk of a loss here. And you would have been like, man, I can't believe I sold. Why did I sell? Why did I sell? and that thing will traumatize you on your next buy. Okay. That's why it's super important that you understand the first part of the best acronym, which is buy early. Now, I know the question you have right now is how do you know you're buying early? That is super easy to answer because with the wallet list that I'm going to share with you guys is if you buy before the wallets show up, you're early. Okay. If you buy before those wallets show up, you are early. And it's super important because you want to make sure you're early and not late to the place. Because as you will notice right here, when I pull this back up here and we go to these wallet trackers, you're going to notice a couple things and a couple things that you need to pay attention to. The first thing you're going to notice, of course, is this right here. You're going to notice this that these people are buying really, really early. They're buying right here. Okay. They're buying very early right here. Some people are buying at 400, 500. And what are they doing? Is they're selling the tops. As you guys notice, the same icons, which are down here, are selling the tops. Okay. So super, super important that they're buying early and they're not panic selling. You don't see people panic selling right here, like, oh my goodness, I'm going to sell. You don't see a lot of reds right here at this 200K mark. They're actually, selling right when the chart is going up. So, what is the next acronym of best? That is called sell the top. Sell the top. So the acronym is be early, sell the top. If you learn that every single time, you will become profitable. The thing here is you want to make sure that you're constantly buying early and that you're selling the top. Now, I know the question that you have is how do I know it's the top? That question is only answered based on the dependence of what type of port you have. So, let me give you a quick example. If you have 10 Solana, okay, and your goal for that particular month is to make 20 Solana, this is why it's extremely important. And I preach every single time set a goal. Set a goal every single month on how much Solana you want to make. So this way, it will not only condition you to be able to make a better decision of when to sell, but it would also condition you onto how early are you buying a coin and how much you're putting in to that particular coin. Now, it's extremely important that you understand this, and everybody's going to have a different value because everybody has a different type of port. Now, whenever you decide to say, you know what, I want to make 10 Solana this month, how do I do that? Well, if you're buying early and you're selling the top, that is super easy to be achieved. Let's say, for example, you come ahead and you got my call here at 85, and of course, I'm not telling you to dump in 10 Sol at that 85 buy because it's definitely always a risk. But let's say you would have thrown one Solana in here at that 85 buy when this 10x, which it went from 85 to 850, you already made 10 Solana. Okay. So the question right there you got to ask yourself, am I happy with those 10 Solana? Now, when you say, I am happy with those 10 Solana, that is the moment you sell. Now, one thing I always recommend is always leave a Moonbag. So in this case scenario, since let's say it's the start of the month of your buddy, your goal is to make 10 Solana, but you already made 10. What you would easily could possibly do is just sell 80%, which would sell 8 Solana, and leave 2 Solana there because look at this bounce from here to here. Now your 2 Solana that you left in there from that 800 mark, right? This ran up to 13, comes becomes again once again 20 Solana. So now you're, instead of making 10, you're already at 30 without taking any risk of losing. So if you guys learn the acronym BEST, which is buy early, sell the top, you will be able to make a ton of profit every single time. Now, granted, there's always going to be a possibility that you're going to take a loss because this is not financial advice and we're playing in a casino. But the advantage you have of doing this is being able to buy early and not stress too much if the chart is going up or the chart is going down. And it's going to de-risk you from actually being the person that gets caught into the big problem where it's you bought at 1.5 mil, the chart goes to 200, and then the chart goes to 12, and then you start panicking and going, oh my goodness, I can't believe this just happened. So this is a perfect example I wanted to share with you guys of what we did. And another great thing I want to do is I showed you guys on stream, like if I display this real quick, this is actually a lesson I showed on stream. So if you want to come and hang out on stream or have any questions, make sure you stop by every Tuesday and Thursdays. Also, we have really cool exclusive videos for anybody that decides to join the membership as you're watching this video early because you are a member. But this is what we're talking about. I bought this here for stream purposes at 1.25 mil. I actually bought it at 700, but I bought again on the dip, which was somewhere around here. Let me actually remove this so you guys can see it here. Let's get here the tracked wallets. So I bought right here really low. This is during the stream. I bought here. I saw the chart dipping a little bit, so I said, you know what? I'm just gonna grab a little bit more. So move my average to 1.25. Even though I was really early here at 700 during the stream, so we went ahead and we put a little bit more so on it, knowing that this chart, in my personal opinion, is gonna go up and up and up. So what we did is we just wanted to increase our profitability here. And we could have bought right here, but we were at such a low zone that it really didn't matter if I bought here or bought here. It would just push me up a little bit. But with that being said, is right now I want to make sure that I sell the top. You see me selling? No, because I know that this is not the top. Once again, how do I know that? I know that because listen, a lot of people are buying from my wallets right here at 6, which means to tell me this is going to go higher. So if you guys want that wallet list, we'll go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, be like, yo, wallet list, and I'll share it with you guys on the TG. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys learned super valuable information of B.E.S.T. Make sure you guys remember that every single time you're about to make a trade. Don't forget, every Tuesday and Thursday, so we stream. Also, if you have new people that want to learn to trade meme coins, we have a book out for you guys that you will be able to give to them or share with your friends and family. So make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys for watching it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.